The paradox of YouTube is this. It was never supposed to be a business at all. It began as a way to share awkward videos between strangers, yet it evolved into one of the most powerful economic machines of the modern age, an invisible empire built not on factories or oil fields, but on attention, creativity, and human time. Today, YouTube shapes culture, politics, education, and income for millions. But its rise was neither inevitable nor accidental. It was engineered, decision by decision, into a billion-dollar business. At the start of the 2000s, the internet was fast, but video was heavy. Bandwidth was expensive, hosting was unreliable, and uploading video required technical skill most people didn't have. Media companies controlled distribution, and television still ruled attention. In this environment, video was something you consumed passively, not something you created. The idea that ordinary people could broadcast themselves to the world felt unrealistic, almost naive. YouTube was born inside this constraint. In 2005, 3 former PayPal employees, Chad Hurley, Stuve Chen, and Jawed Karim, set out to solve a simple frustration: how hard it was to share video online. The original concept was unimpressive by today's standards. It wasn't a grand vision of global media domination, it was a utility, a way to upload, host, and share video clips without technical friction. Early versions of YouTube even attempted to position themselves as a video dating platform. That idea failed almost immediately. But failure revealed something more important. Users ignored the intended purpose and uploaded whatever they wanted: home videos, comedy sketches, music clips, commentary, moments of daily life. Instead of correcting users, YouTube listened. This was the first crucial decision. Rather than enforcing a narrow vision, the platform became radically open. No approval process, no creative gatekeepers, no quality filters. Anyone could upload anything. That openness created abundance, and abundance changed the economics. The second critical move came quietly but proved revolutionary: the embeddable video player. YouTube videos were no longer confined to YouTube. They could be placed anywhere: blogs, forums, early social media platforms like MySpace. Every embed became free distribution. Every external website became a feeder into YouTube's ecosystem. The platform didn't need to buy traffic. The internet distributed YouTube on its behalf. What YouTube realized before most competitors was that it was not in the business of hosting videos. It was in the business of hosting relationships between creators and audiences. That reframing changed everything. A video site competes on storage and bandwidth. A marketplace competes on network effects. Once creators believed YouTube was where audiences lived, leaving became costly. Once audiences believed their favorite creators lived on YouTube, switching became inconvenient. The platform became the intermediary both sides depended on. Growth exploded, but a fatal flaw remained. YouTube was burning money. Bandwidth costs were enormous. There was no sustainable revenue model. The platform was growing faster than it could monetize. In 2006, Google acquired YouTube for $1.65 billion, a decision that was widely criticized at the time. Critics called it reckless. There was no clear path to profit. Copyright lawsuits loomed. But Google saw something others missed. YouTube was not a video company. It was an attention company. Google didn't just add advertising, it redesigned incentives. The introduction of AdSense and the YouTube Partner Program in 2007 transformed the platform into a 3-sided marketplace. Viewers received free content, advertisers received targeted access to attention, creators received something unprecedented in media history: a share of revenue. 55% went to creators, 45% went to YouTube. This single decision changed the trajectory of the internet. For creators, YouTube became more than a hobby platform. It became a career path. Better content led to more views. More views led to more income. More income justified better equipment, higher production quality, and consistent output. Content creation professionalized at scale, but without YouTube paying a single dollar upfront. Creators absorbed the risk. YouTube only paid when value was created. For advertisers, the value proposition was revolutionary. Ads were no longer broadcast blindly. They were targeted using Google's data infrastructure, demographics, behavior, intent, and context. Performance became measurable. Advertising shifted from faith to analytics. For viewers, the experience felt free. Ads were skippable, control remained with the user, friction was minimized. This alignment created a flywheel that reinforced itself. Creators produced more and better content. Viewers spent more time watching. Advertisers paid more for access, and YouTube reinvested in infrastructure and tools that further strengthened the ecosystem. Then came the algorithm. In its early years, YouTube surfaced content based largely on view counts. Popularity determined visibility. But popularity didn't equal satisfaction. Users clicked viral videos and left disappointed. Engagement was shallow. Around 2012, YouTube made its most consequential internal shift. It stopped optimizing for views and began optimizing for watch time. This decision transformed YouTube from a library into a behavioral engine. The algorithm became the platform's central nervous system, governing which content lived and which content disappeared. It rewarded videos that held attention, extended sessions, and satisfied users. Creators adapted quickly. Videos became longer, intros became sharper, thumbnails and titles evolved into a science, retention graphs became creative guides, upload schedules became disciplined. The algorithm didn't just distribute culture, it shaped it. Entire genres emerged because the algorithm favored them. Parasocial relationships intensified because human connection increased watch time. Community features, comments, likes, live chats deepened engagement. YouTube wasn't just hosting videos anymore, it was engineering behavior at scale. As the platform matured, its moat deepened. Unlike traditional media companies, YouTube didn't need to finance content production. Its library grew infinitely at near zero marginal cost. Niche content flourished because creators were willing to serve small audiences if monetization existed. Evergreen videos continued generating revenue years after upload. Creator-fan relationships became switching costs competitors couldn't replicate. Netflix had shows, YouTube had an economy. Rather than building new platforms, YouTube layered monetization onto existing attention. Premium subscriptions monetized ad-averse users. Shorts defended against TikTok by capturing vertical video attention. Super chats, memberships, and merchandise tools enabled direct creator-fan commerce, with YouTube taking a percentage cut. Each layer extracted more value from the same user base without breaking the ecosystem. But power created tension. YouTube's algorithm optimized for engagement, while advertisers demanded brand safety. Controversial content attracted attention but scared advertisers. The resulting moderation battles, demonetization, algorithm changes, policy enforcement, revealed an insoluble dilemma. Openness drives growth. Control protects revenue. YouTube lives permanently between those forces. Today, YouTube is more than a website. It is infrastructure for modern creativity. It educates, entertains, radicalizes, informs, and employs. It has created millionaires and reshaped media careers. It has centralized attention while decentralizing production. And it did so not by owning creators, but by aligning with them. The deepest insight of YouTube's rise is not technological, it is philosophical. By allowing creators to get rich alongside the platform, YouTube ensured its own growth. Value was shared before it was extracted. Loyalty followed. YouTube did not become a billion-dollar business because it had the best video player or the smartest algorithm. It became one because it understood that platforms win not by controlling users, but by making users stakeholders. In the end, YouTube's true product was never video. It was leverage over attention, over distribution, and over opportunity. And once that system was built, it didn't just scale, it rewrote the rules of media itself.